Hello, everybody. We're playing Snoring 2 Winter's Edition. Well, I'm playing. I've already played it. Just want to do it, show y'all guys. It's kind of easy and fun. It's kind of childish, but I just wanted to try it out. Anyways, touch to roll. Ha ha ha. I really like it. Don't get that. Why did you go that way? Wait. Dang it, I was hoping. Oh yeah. First I forgot to mute. Not mute it. No wait, no. There we go. Boom. Okay, we're gonna do it this time. Boom. 3 stars. Woo! And 3 stars once again. Oh, freak, I was supposed to do that first. Dang it. I want to get 3 stars on that one. Oh, freak, I keep on forgetting. No, I want to get 3 stars. Oh, yeah, I know how to make 3 stars. Oh, man, at least I got 2. Better than 1. It's pretty much a chain reaction. Oh, yeah, I forgot you have to time this one. Okay, so let me get... Got it. Okay, how do you do this one again? Oh, yeah, okay, I got this. I don't get this one. Don't think that was supposed to happen. Okay, let me just try it like this. Oh, yeah. Got it. 3 stars. Oh, no, 2. Okay. Still good enough. Oh, yeah. My bad. Got it. I thought this was a perfect place because it was close to Christmas. Woke up the elephant. Oh, freak. Oh, no. I know I can make 3 stars. Let me try and get it. Oh, yeah. 3 stars. I knew I could do it. Made it. 3 stars. I knew I could do it. Dun, dun. I made it again. Wait, how did you do this one again? Okay, let me try. Oh, that didn't work. Come on, press it. Oh, wait, I know what it's supposed to be now. Oh, come on. Oh, freak, that was an accident. Oh, come on. Oh, freak. Never get past this one. Oh, man, I gotta wait till it comes back around. Gotta wait till it comes back around, because I pressed it. It didn't work, though. Come on. Oh, man, I pressed the hour and it didn't work. Let me try one more time, and then I'll just get the level if I can't do it. Drop out, drop out. Damn it. Okay, I can do this, I can do this. No, other way, other way. Damn it. I know I said I would try one more time, but it didn't work, and I really want to do it. Bugging me so much. Yay, I finally passed it. Oh, yeah, I know how to do this one. You gotta do this one first. Restart, because I didn't mean to press that. And then this one. Boom. Wasn't supposed to happen. It was supposed to be like a little thing, but okay, I'll take that. No, go that way. Huh? That was an accident. I already said that, because that wasn't even supposed to happen. It was supposed to be something else. And I lost my characters, apparently. Who else thinks I lost my characters? I'm joking. Don't do anything like that. You know I lost my characters. Damn it. Lost my characters again. Got it. 3 stars. Oh yeah. How you do this one? Okay. Go from here. Oh yeah, I was supposed to jump. Okay. Good. What? That wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, I guess so. Dang it. Okay, I see this has to be timed. I'm just not that patient. Okay. Okay, now I'm patient, apparently. Be patient. Oh, man. I guess it's passable. Oh wait, this is like a, oh my goodness.
Get talking to herself now.
Oh man, I keep on forgetting. Great! Okay, I think I know how to do this one. Damn it. I can do it! That's how my brother laughed.
Get talking to herself.
Guess me. Guess that's good. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Oh man. No. Here's what happened.
We can get a boo boo in a bag.
That's it for this video. Bye.